The circulatory system, driven by the steady beat of the heart, is the lifeline of the human body. Stretching thousands of miles, blood vessels form a vast network, carrying life to every cell. At the center lies the heart, a powerful pump that keeps blood moving without rest. Blood vessels form a vast network, creating pathways that reach every part of the body. Blood delivers oxygen and nutrients, fueling every cell in the human body. Blood also removes carbon dioxide and waste, keeping the body clean and balanced. At the center of it all, the heart pumps tirelessly, powering the entire circulation. The heart's 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles, work in perfect harmony. Heart valves ensure one-way blood flow, opening and closing with perfect precision. From the heart, the aorta and arteries distribute oxygen-rich blood to the entire body. Arterioles branch into tiny capillaries, where oxygen and nutrients are exchanged with tissues. Veins collect deoxygenated blood and guide it back to the heart for renewal. Vein valves act as tiny gates, preventing blood from flowing backward. Blood flows from the heart to the lungs, exchanging carbon dioxide for oxygen. From the lungs, oxygen-rich blood is pumped through the heart to nourish the entire body. After delivering oxygen, veins carry the blood back to the heart to be refreshed once again. Each heartbeat has 2 phases: systole, when the heart contracts, and diastole, when it relaxes. The familiar lub-dub sound comes from the heart valves opening and closing with each beat. Blood enters the right atrium, flows to the right ventricle, moves to the lungs for oxygen, then returns to the left side to be pumped through the body. From the left ventricle, oxygen-rich blood is powerfully pumped through the aorta, delivering life to the entire body. From the aorta, arteries branch out, carrying oxygen to every organ, fueling life and energy. The carotid arteries deliver vital, oxygen-rich blood to the brain, keeping thoughts and memory alive. The coronary arteries supply the heart itself with lifeblood, powering every beat that sustains us. The vena cava, the body's largest veins, return deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Heart valves act like one-way gates, ensuring blood flows forward and never backward. Coronary arteries wrap around the heart, supplying the muscle with life-giving oxygen and nutrients. Coronary veins collect deoxygenated blood from the heart muscle and return it to the right atrium. Capillaries, the body's tiniest vessels, exchange oxygen and nutrients with every cell. Venules collect blood from capillaries, guiding it toward the larger veins. Veins act as highways, returning deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Venous valves act like gates, ensuring blood flows one way and never backward. The superior and inferior vena cava, the body's largest veins, return blood to the heart. The portal vein carries nutrient-rich blood from the intestines directly to the liver for processing. The pulmonary artery carries oxygen-poor blood from the heart to the lungs for vital gas exchange. The pulmonary veins return oxygen-rich blood from the lungs back to the heart, ready for the body. The aorta, the body's largest artery, carries oxygen-rich blood from the heart to every organ. From the aorta, major arteries branch off, sending blood to the brain, the heart, and the entire body. The carotid arteries deliver oxygen-rich blood straight to your brain, keeping it alive and active. The coronary arteries supply oxygen directly to the heart muscle, fueling every heartbeat. The aorta, the body's largest artery, carries blood from the heart to every organ. From the aorta branch major arteries, delivering blood to the head, arms, and vital organs. The abdominal aorta branches into arteries that nourish the liver, kidneys, and intestines. The iliac arteries deliver oxygen-rich blood from the aorta to the lower limbs. Leg veins return deoxygenated blood upward against gravity back to the heart. Venous valves act like one-way doors, preventing blood from flowing backward. Calf muscles squeeze veins, pushing blood upward toward the heart. Pulmonary circulation carries oxygen-poor blood to the lungs and brings back oxygen-rich blood. Systemic circulation delivers oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the entire body and returns it deoxygenated. Venous valves prevent backflow, ensuring blood moves smoothly toward the heart. Capillaries exchange oxygen and nutrients with tissues while collecting waste for removal. Veins collect deoxygenated blood from capillaries and return it to the heart for reoxygenation. Special circulatory loops supply the kidneys and liver, filtering blood and regulating vital functions. Cerebral arteries deliver oxygen-rich blood to every part of the brain, sustaining its functions. Coronary arteries wrap around the heart, supplying oxygen-rich blood to fuel every heartbeat. Coronary veins carry deoxygenated blood from the heart muscle back into the right atrium. Pulmonary arteries carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs, while pulmonary veins return oxygen-rich blood to the heart. Arteries deliver oxygen-rich blood to upper body muscles, brain, and organs, sustaining energy and function. The superior vena cava collects deoxygenated blood from the upper body and returns it to the right atrium of the heart. The aorta carries oxygen-rich blood from the left ventricle, distributing it to the entire body through its branches. Blood circulates continuously, delivering oxygen and nutrients and returning waste, keeping every organ alive and functioning. Thanks for exploring the circulatory system. Subscribe and continue your amazing journey through the human body.